Daytime and nighttime routine with AloeCurves. We have 2 face washes. Our face washes are gentle and pH balanced. The Aloe Jungle wash is close to water with only 2 main ingredients, great for sensitive skin. Our second wash is our Neem Jungle Face Wash. Not only does neem nourish the skin, but neem helps with common skin issues and irritations, and especially those pesky breakouts. Did we mention that both of our face washes come in unscented or scented with rose water? This is Hibiscus Rain Facial Essence. We carefully selected ingredients to condition and hydrate your skin after a fresh wash. Draw moisture to your face, tone, reduce redness, and inflammation. We love the Glaze and Sunset Facial Oil Duo. The light oil-based moisturizer and serum are both packed with antioxidants to calm the skin, can be used for after sun care, and used to brighten and even skin tone. With the Glaze Face Moisturizer, get the glow and moisturizing benefits of an oil-based moisturizer. Control oil production and give your skin the glow it craves. Sunset. This is an oil-based serum that can help target specific areas or can be used as a moisturizer to control oil production. Vitamin C naturally brightens even skin tones and is great for hyperpigmentation, lightening dark spots, and diminishing scars. And don't forget to show your under chin and your neck some love, because these areas are often exposed but don't get the same self-care as we may apply to our faces and our bodies. The one thing that matters most when it comes to your skin is consistency. Always remember that sometimes the results do not come overnight. They come from being consistent and learning your skin and using products for your skin type. Remember, there's always things that can help you treat specific skincare concerns, like our Vanish and Fade. Vanish and Fade is a drying liquid powder that's intended to dry out bacteria that form breakouts. This solution can be used over irritated areas as a spot solution for inflamed breakouts. Even for overnight use, this formula has ingredients to calm irritated skin. Salicylic acid helps shed dead skin cells from the top layer of the skin. In return, this decreases the number of visible breakouts. We love that this product speeds up recovery and reduces swelling. After you apply, have a good night's rest.